Well, day 3, tired, no energy. Started eating some yogurt. A couple pieces of pizza that I had yesterday. Half a bowl of cereal yesterday. And honey water that's warm for some energy. And neocitrin, nighttime stuff for cold and sinuses at nighttime for the first 2 nights. But absolutely pathetic, that's all I can say. What I'm going through, I don't know, it's not COVID, but congested chest, light mild headache all day still, and yeah, it sucks not having any energy. In Vega, it made me have no energy anyways, and this just seems like another repeat of it all. I don't know if I can flip this around, but I'm going to just go and do this, and that's what I'm getting out of my lungs. So, hopefully you got a picture of that. It's pretty sick. So, you take her easy. Well, real life, eh? Absolute real life. No energy to sit there and play a game or do anything at all. That's entertainment. Don't even want to watch anybody do anything. Don't even watch a TV program. Just want to lay there and do nothing. I don't know what it is. Just sad. It is. If my hormones were better off and the Doctors Association would have gave them back to me, would I be better today? Makes me wonder, because they're sure not at a natural level at all in any way. So, we'll catch you all later. I'm Ross Sly, talk about human rights violations, malpractice, and poverty. And if you've been assaulted by Invega or any type of medication forcefully, remember, say something, speak up, and look up lawsuits on any medication, and there you go. Ask a patient. We'll give you all the information you need on any medication out there as well. Till next time. Happy New Year, guys.